Hello and welcome back to another video of my channel. A lot of stuff has changed since last month where I showcased my rise. And I've followed the advice of you guys from the comment section. And here we are. So, someone asked me to fix the borders. I did. I agree they looked bulky and they are good now. And now I've started using Pywal, which is like amazing. I have made some scripts to automate it. First we have apply.asearch, which is basically just a script to load wall color schemes and wallpaper. It takes an input as a wallpaper. So for example, if I want to do apply this wallpaper, which is the current wallpaper, hold on, I'll just apply something else. For example, this wallpaper, I can just apply it and the color schemes change. So here we have some red stuff going on. Next we have apply D menu, which is basically to apply Pywal color schemes to D menu. And now it makes D menu look like how the wallpaper's color schemes. If I show you apply D menu, it's really simple in the fact it just asks for input and just copies this file, which is basically Pywal colors for D menu, into the D menu repository that we have on our system. This checks for if the include statement for the color scheme is in the config file or not, and if it isn't, then it just adds it and compiles D menu, else it doesn't add and compiles D menu. That's basically what's going on. And I'll just switch back my wallpaper, I guess. Just give me a second here. If I can type correctly, obviously. So there we are. And apply -d menu. So just using Pywal, it's so easy to search wallpapers and color schemes and make new rises and new rises. Obviously a lot of stuff has been updated by me. So instead of Picom as a package, I'll just -q, and if we just try to grab Picom, you can see that I have installed Picom Jonaberg, which is basically Picom but with animations and stuff. So if we go into this config file, this is for Picom Jonaberg and it's the basic config file. It adds these animations and stuff, really makes your desktop look very aesthetic. I have a lot of options to play with here. For example, I can just enable blur. And I'll just make the strength something like 3 or something, because I don't like a lot of blur, but if you do like a lot of blur, maybe 7 is more your style. I'll just uncomment all of this. And now if we reload this, that's weird. Okay, what the heck, Picom just died. Maybe it's config error. Possibly. Remove this and start Picom. Okay, guess I need to fix this later. I've been breaking a lot of stuff lately anyway. Just a second, I'll just fix this. Okay, I fixed that effect. Now it just works. And this is blur 7. You can just lower it by just searching for this. And how much blur do I like? I like to do 0. Yeah, and that just doesn't work. Okay, maybe 3 is more your style. If you like little blur, not like a lot, maybe 3 would suit you. But you should probably switch to Picom Zoneberg because it's just amazing with all these animations. You'll get the perfect r/unixporn stack here. Anyway, this video is getting a little bit long, so I'll just show you my stuff here. We have VIFM, which is a Vim but a file manager. We can just look around, and this is DistroTube's config. If you want to see the config file, I will just. And some issues I've been having with Pywal is sometimes when I open some programs and I switch layouts or something, it just breaks and I have to like it again. That's an issue. This is basically just DistroTube's config, but my Vim is set to Vim, not new Vim. I just use Vim more than new Vim because I don't know. And DistroTube's ASCII art, but that's amazing actually. And I have added this in my XMonad config. So first of all, I enabled full screen support, and then I added this stuff, which is what you can use to like increase volume and stuff, and just basically it's amazing. So when I press my play button on my laptop keyboard, it just plays MPD stuff, and it's amazing. Uh, this is like the old config, but just improved a lot. And yeah, that is my new rise. Also, this screenshot was taken for r/unixporn. I will show you that. And this is how my screenshot looked. You can check out my post on r/unixporn. The link will be in the description. And thank you guys for everything. Goodbye.